Gosh. Anybody need one? Go, John! Go, John!
Oh my God, my mom. Go, John! You think he's gonna fall?
You only pedal on one side?
No, you go both.
You can only pedal on one side?
Look at you, shoot! I think he's
Someone's an inner tube.
Are you videoing it?
Yes.
That's pretty cool. I want to do that.
I took that boat out earlier today.
So Brittany, next time you come out, you'll go swimming with me?
I go swimming with you. Are you smart? Slow down! What the hell Lizzie's doing? Did you stop taping or no?
No.
Stop taking that ball. I'm worried kind of when he has to turn it now. John, wave!
John! Where's your mom?
She's coming back now.
Ah, almost tripped. Lauren!
Lauren, stop.
There's a cute guy.
It's so cool, huh?
Uh-huh.
Are you videoing it now? Because it's turning.
I'm zoomed in as much as I can. I don't see Olivia's head. I don't like this. Can't believe he caught up with him and he's standing up.
Where's Terry?
And the blue one. Look at Terry. She's racing your dad. Look. Terry.
Go, Mama, go! Mom! Mom! Libby having fun? Go!
She's crying. Olivia!
Wave!
Is she really crying? What's gonna happen to her on water, really? I should tell her that the snap.
Hi, Libby!
I'm gonna tell her that the snapping turtle was following their kayak the whole time.
No, don't. Because then she'll never do it again. Libby!
Woo! John! Weave!
Walk that.
Get back on his knees.